Imagine you walk into a crowded room and someone hands you a crisp $100 bill, no strings attached. Your brain instantly delivers a massive hit of dopamine. You're smiling, you're excited. But now imagine a different scenario. You walk into that same room and instead of giving you $100, someone reaches you into your pockets and take the $100 out. Psychologists have a name for what you're feeling right now: loss aversion. Studies shows that the psychological pain of losing money is twice as powerful as the joy of making it. And right now, subconsciously, your brain is playing a game of defensive survival. You aren't just looking for an extra paycheck, you're trying to outrun the invisible loss of your time, your freedom, and your financial security. Every year, millions of people look up best side hustles, and every year they fall into a same trap. They look at least get temporary hit of inspiration and then absolutely nothing happens. Why? Because most side hustle advice ignores human psychology. We look at massive exhausting list and suffer from choice paralysis. When your brain is overwhelmed with 50 different options, it chooses the path of least resistance, doing nothing, or worse. We pick a hustle that triggers friction. If a side hustle requires you to buy inventory, learn complex coding, or scream into a microphone on a camera, your brain treats it like a threat. It stalls, it makes excuses. But 2026 is different. The economic landscape has shifted. The leverage has moved from massive companies to single individuals who know how to use the right tools. If you want a side hustle that actually works, you don't need more willpower. You just need a hustle that works with your psychology, not against it. Let's look at a quick story. Meet Sarah. Sarah wants to make an extra $1,000 a month. She watches a video telling her to start a complex e-commerce dropshipping store. She spends $300 on a website, spends weeks trying to find a supplier, and tries to learn paid advertising from scratch. By week 3, she hasn't made a sale. Her brain associates the side hustle with financial loss, extreme cognitive fatigue, and frustration. What does she do? She quits. Her brain actively sabotages the hustle to protect her from more psychological pain. Sarah didn't fail because she was lazy. She failed because she picked a high friction hustle. Our brains are wired to conserve energy. If a side hustle requires too much upfront capital or a massive learning curve before you see a single dollar, your brain's protective instinct will shut it down. To win in 2026, we need to bypass this glitch. We need frictionless hustle, things that require zero startup cash, take less than an hour to set up, and provide a fast feedback loop of positive enforcement. So, how do we flip the script? We look for hustles that utilize human taste amplified by modern leverage. Here are the three highest leverage, lowest friction side hustles for 2026 that your brain will actually let you finish. First up, user generated content or UGC creation. Now, wait before your brain panics. You do not have to be a famous influencer and you do not even have to show your face. In 2026, traditional polished advertising feels fake to consumers. Brands are desperate for authentic looking videos of regular hands holding a product, demonstrating a software tool, or reviving a gadget. Psychologically, this is an incredibly low friction hustle. You already own a smartphone, you already know how to film a basic video by pitching local or online brands to create simple 30 seconds clip for their social media ads. You are selling raw authenticity. You get paid per video, meaning the feedback loop is incredibly fast. Your brain sees the invoice clear, associates the hustle with pleasure, and wants to do it again. Second, AI amplified freelance writing and copywriting. The narrating out there is an AI took that all the writing jobs. That is a massive misconception. AI took the lazy writing jobs. What businesses desperately need in 2026 are humans who can guide AI to produce highly specific, emotionally resonate content. Think about it as becoming a editor rather than writing a blank page. A blank page creates psychological resistance. Procrastination loves a blinking cursor. But editing a rough AI draft to sound like a human talking over coffee, this is a low friction task. Whether it's writing newsletter, sequences for local businesses, or real estate descriptions for agents. You're using the machine for speed and your human empathy for test. Third, micro digital products via niche templates. Think about what you do well at your job or your hobbies. Are you great at organizing tasks? Do you have a killer workout routines? Millions of people are looking for shortcuts to organize their lives using apps like Notion, Canva, or Excel. Instead of writing a whole book, you create a one page digital template once. You list it on a platform like Etsy or Gumroad. Psychologically, this shifts you from trading time for money to building a boredom engine. Once the template is uploaded, it sells while you sleep. Every time your phone buzzes with a $5 notification, your brain receives a passive wealth signal, breaking the subconscious belief that money always requires exhausting labor. Remember loss aversion, the fear of losing out. The biggest loss you can suffer isn't failed businesses or a few wasted hours. The biggest loss is looking back at 2026 and realizing you let choices paralysis keep you in the exact same financial position you are in today. You don't need to launch a massive empire by tomorrow morning. You just need to pick one low friction path, spend 30 minutes testing it out this weekend, and let your brain experience the absolute joy of making your first independent dollar. A side hustle isn't about changing your bank account, it's about changing your mindset. It's the realization that you are not dependent on a single paycheck to survive. If this psychological approach to building wealth makes more sense to you than a generic top 10 list, hit the subscribe button. Let's keep building wealth that actually works for your real life. I'll see you in the next video.